What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. So today I'm gonna continue the third video of MongoDB tutorial with Python or Pymongo. So let me just quickly start the new Python file or notebook. Okay. So in the last section, like this one, I think yes, yeah. Uh, we have seen like how we can do like bulk import from CSV file. We have like 7 or 8 records, and from that records we actually successfully imported all those objects inside the MongoDB collection. And we have seen how to like get the inserted object IDs. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm gonna like show you guys one more important thing. I'm not sure the tutorial is going to be that long. It is going to be probably 10-15 minute session, but it is going to be again unique thing. Like till now whatever we are like, let's say I'm just let me just import first thing from Pymongo. Import Mongo client, import URL lead, import CSV. I think these are fine. Okay, so like till now whatever we are doing, like if you can like there was no duplicate checking on any elements. Like our primary key was underscore id, it was, or object id, it was given by the system. So we can do any sort of like operation. There is no check, and we don't have any index as well. So but the thing is that we can create our own index, and we can check our own like unique like value or unique key checking. Okay, so let me just quickly go through. Okay guys, I'm not gonna do this thing again and again. Like the this thing, like we have already done this in our last tutorial, like how to establish the connection. So I'm just be copy pasting from my last code. Okay, and this is the thing. Yes, I think. Okay, okay, let me check everything is fine. Yeah, it's just Python. Okay, fine. So let me run this thing. Let me run this thing. Okay, something happened here. Okay, some part is missing. I think I haven't done the complete copy paste. Okay, let me. Well, I think it's working now. Okay, so now I'll do something. Let me create one collection is there, profile. So let me do one thing. Let me like like db equals to client dot test python, as you all know, and collection equals to db dot profiles. Okay, so now we'd like to import something or insert something. Collection dot insert one, and let's say we'll import using name equals to Ronnie. Okay, so it's inserted. Let's check here. Like, so name is Ronnie. Let me insert another object with the same thing. What happened? Okay, actually I have created this thing before, guys. Sorry. What I'll do? Okay, let me just create like one collection. Let's say profile one. Okay, so profile one, and let me insert this thing. See, we can insert profile one here. Now let me insert again. Okay, so if I refresh this thing, So it is allowing us to like put duplicate name. Now I'll just create another collection, and inside that collection we'll put some sort of we'll create some sort of index with unique feature like that should not be duplicated. Okay, so for doing this, let's say I'll be going to create a second collect or third collection because we are already having this profile. So let me just delete this thing. So actually it is creating some sort of confusion. So okay, so it's profile one, so I'll create another collection with profile only. Okay, so dv dot profile dot create underscore index, and this is going to be like this. Okay, and inside that we have to give our like feature like name, and name is going to be the like index, and we have to add this thing sending. We have to add this feature as well, unique, not here, uh, here, unique. Everything is from the documentation. Unique equals to true. Okay, Pymongo is not defined, so we have to import Pymongo. Okay, now if I run this thing, so see like this like index has been created, but if you would like to see it like list of and one more thing, when we write like this way, so it will automatically create this index if this collection if it is does not exist actually. So if I refresh this thing, see there has been one like index profile 0. Okay, and there is two index, one is given by the system. Like if I click this thing, uh, see one is id and one is name. With this key is this and index name is this. Okay, so you can get it from here as well, like dv dot profiles dot I think index information. I'm not sure. I'm not sure actually. Yes, like id is one index, this is one index. Okay guys, so now what I'll do, I'll try to like import this thing like db dot profile dot insert underscore one, and I'll first will give like name equals to Ronnie. Okay, so let's check here whether, so one object has been or one document has been like successfully created with name Ronnie. Now what I'll do, I will try to add another thing. Okay, so now this time it is throwing duplicate key error. So in this way you can have your own index with a unique key feature, so that the value should not be duplicated. So this is one of the important things, like those are actually going to like develop their own database for some sort of content management system. This is going to be the one of the most important things. So if you see, like we did it using two lines of code. Like here we just created one index, and actually one line of code. Like we have to just create this index. Apart from other things will be rest of the things will be handled by the MongoDB. So MongoDB is actually not database only. It is a kind of tool or application or kind of kind of like enabler, which is actually help you to develop or design or like implement your system or like application more efficient and intelligent way. And with the help of Python you can do it. It will actually is very much easier. You do not have to think about much like code volume. It will be very easy, and also it will be like very much easy to implement and remember. Like there is no any hard code science behind that. So guys, if I just change to another thing, let's see it is going to allow. So like this. Now if I again try to do this thing, so it is throwing some error. So guys, that's all. So let me just keep everything. I think it is fine. Like the main part is here only. like mm, uh, create index with duplicate checking feature. So when I say index, definitely it is going to, if you are going to search with this name thing, it will be it will be faster, like your query will be optimized, and again it is having some sort of unique feature. If you are not going to put this thing, then also you can going to do all other things which is actually having normal index are having, but that unique feature will not be available. Just to give you these two things together, I'm just actually put this thing here. So I think all of you, those are coming from like relational database, those are actually familiar with like actual indexing things, right? So I'm not going to do all those things over here. If you want, you can just go through MongoDB documentation or any database documentation or any like wiki links, Wikipedia, whatever from Google, just go through it. But the main objective is that how to prevent duplicate values inside our database or database collection. Okay. So this is actually collection specific. Like if you wanted to do something like for other stuff, for other collection, this is allowed. For every collection you have to go and define your own thing. And one more thing, suppose you are having some sort of values. Let's say now I want to add some sort of collection for this thing. Okay. Let's say id name. Okay, let's see what is happening. So we have created one collection earlier with name in our profile collection, one index, and now we would like to create another index. Okay, let's see what is happening. So it is throwing some error. See the error, the duplicate key correction is duplicate key null value. The thing is that we are going to create one index with id name column. Okay, but the thing is that uh, it is saying that duplicate key error collection test python profile index id name duplicate key null. It means it is going to be if I are going to create these things, there will be like duplicate key constraint violation with the null value. So null means there are some values which is having null, so null duplicate. So let me explain this thing. So see, we have created these three documents, and all of these documents are not having any value for underscore id underscore name. So ideally it should have either blank values or null values. So this is going to be duplicate actually, because system is treating as a duplicate. So that is why it is not allowing us to create any more constraint. So sorry, any more index. So it is always recommended or not recommended. This is one of the important thing to like implement or remember. If you want to create index, or if you want to have index like inside your collection, you must do it before loading your data. Okay guys, so I think this is quite like handful of information, but it is this small piece of information. I'm doing very slowly and I'm going very gradually, not doing very fast. So I think that's all for today's session. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Hopefully today or tomorrow. I'm not sure, but definitely this week there will be another MongoDB with Pymongo series, and there will be two Neo4j as well. So this weekend I will get some time. So guys, hope you guys are enjoying our videos and tutorial. Please show us some sort of support from your side, like by sharing our contents, by giving some positive comment on our videos, on if possible do some likes, and also ask your friend to just have a look on our channel if they can get some like insight about python and all, so they can as well subscribe. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice weekend.